All right, guys, got your boy here, Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, down here at Southwest Chrysler, and welcome back to another Tech Tip Thursday. All right, guys, for this Tech Tip Thursday, I'm going to show you guys how to properly put your vehicle into four-wheel high and four-wheel low. Since I don't feel like a lot of people actually understand how to properly do this, you see a lot of people out there doing it, and they get that grinding gear. Now, the only reason you're going to need four low is for that instantaneous torque. When you are out on a trail, say you're out on a rock, and you actually need the vehicle to be pulling itself with as much torque as possible without getting the wideband of the engine up because you don't have the speed, this is when you're going to start to use it. And so first I'm going to show you guys four-wheel high. Four-wheel high is on the fly. They say up to about 80 kilometers an hour. You're driving. All you're going to do is literally pull it down and feel yourself connect. That's four-wheel high. All right, guys, and for four-wheel low, this is the one that you're going to be a little bit more careful with getting in, trying to not grind those gears. So once you have it into four-wheel high, you are going to pop the transmission into neutral, and you're going to want to be doing roughly about 5 kilometers an hour, if not a little under. You want to be at least rolling a little bit. So you pop it into neutral. What you're going to do is slide it over and pop it back into four-wheel low. Now that is how you hook up properly into four-wheel low. And to pop it back out, all you're going to do is, while you're in neutral, slide it back into four-wheel high and back into two-wheel drive.
So there you have it, guys. There's how you properly take your Jeep Wrangler or any other system you're going to have that has a manual shift for your 4x4 and put it properly into four high and four low. Again, it's your boy Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, down here at Southwest Chrysler. And thank you for watching another Tech Tip Thursday.